Hey, what's up, guys? I thought I'd give you an all-around kind of update of what's been going on recently with my stock portfolio, some Amazon news, and just an overall update. I'm going to make a few more professional videos for the stocks and Amazon stuff coming up soon. I wanted to make one today, but I was like, what the heck? Let me just show you what I've been working with, what kind of stocks I just invested in this morning, and the news in the marketplace, as well as what's been going on with Amazon. So I'm going to actually kind of pop up here and like do a little screen recording on my phone. There's this cool little like screen recording app. You can just, I think it's an app, you just type in screen recording. Should be able to find it. So my phone screen should be popped up for you guys now. On today's news, I can show you, we do have, I'll even show it right here. We just have, yeah, see, that's why I like to screen record, because it gets a little blurry. But we only had one sale today on Amazon, but that made me 85 bucks in profit. The past few days, you can see those other bars there. I made like $250 yesterday and $350 the day before that. So even though the sales are not that much, I'm making a lot of profit per sale. Some other Amazon news, I just got my new shipment in of my main kind of $40 price point item that was making me 20 bucks per item and selling about 10 a day. That just got back in stock, and I just ordered a new kit, which I just talked about in a video yesterday, 200 units of that. So I'm going to ramp out. My goal this year was to get 12 more products, but let's jump on into Webull and kind of show you what's been going on with the stock trading platform, why I'm super hyped right now. Just been watching so many stock videos. My account balance is at 4,100 bucks, but if I show you the performance, I'm up 650 right now, and that's since like the 23rd, which is 2 days ago. So the whole reason this happened was because in the news, you got to pay attention so much to the news, and the new stimulus package to give every American like $2,000 or something just basically passed, and then Bernie Sanders stepped in and tried to not pass it. I mean, and give all the money to the employees and not the corporations which employ the employees. So it just didn't make a lot of sense there. So I saw it, I'll show you in my photos, it was at 750 bucks and even 800 earlier this morning. So that was pretty crazy. Anyways, we go back into Webull. Let me tell you about some of the stocks I'm getting into right now. So I just bought my first share of Facebook at 150 bucks. And I can show you right here when I press on quotes at the bottom right. It shows me like in the last 3 months, in the last year. So you can see this huge drop off. And this is what we've seen across the board with so many other stocks. I just bought some Qualcomm. This is a 5G technology company. And in the future, you always got to pay attention to what's happening in the news. 5G is going to be huge in the future. So only bought 2 shares of that. Some of my biggest positions, guys, are Uber. I came up a lot in. I only have 10 shares of that, about $262 worth there. But again, like in the last, 5 years, it's just been high, and then we had a huge dip. I bought it at 21 bucks. You can see my buy prices. I bought it one time actually at $15.55. That's just unheard of. Wells Fargo, some other ones, but the main ones I put money into, guys, was like the airlines, JetBlue, American Airlines. You can see those bumping up 50 bucks today. Delta Air. I put $785 in Carnival Cruise, guys. Look how much I started buying on the 5th of this month, March 2020, at $30, and I kept buying all the way till it went down to $8.21. So that's how low the stock got. But the more exciting thing is when you look at the 5-year graph, it was up around 50 bucks in the last year, $55, and then it just plummeted. So guys, I'm using the app called Webull. Again, it's right here, Webull. Go download that from the link in my description. They have a promotion going only for a few more days. I think it ends on March 28th or the 30th, where you'll get 2 free stocks when you sign up. So just go sign up from my link. Just setting up your account will give you 1 free stock. When you put $100 in, you'll get another free stock. And you can see, actually, I get a little benefit from that as well. So you guys can support the channel by doing that. But when I go to menu here, it says my free stock. Can press that and see I got 5 free stocks. So like 2 people signed up under, or 3 people signed up under my link, And then I got these stocks, and I guess Snap is a pretty good buy. Actually, I saw some videos talking about people saying, go get on Snap or something. So it's cooler than maybe the crypto market, which I also invested $500 in just the other day when it was actually, you see Bitcoin's at $6,590 right now. So if you come look at my portfolio, you see I put some money in Ethereum, Ripple, Stellar Lumens, and it's all up, you know, a handful of dollars, but over time maybe it will go up higher. I was hyped on Stellar Lumens because I remember this back when I used to be into crypto like a while ago when it was in this all-time craziness, and you see it maxed out at 94 cents. So that would be just so much money if you invested in all these shares. I mean, I have like 1,600 shares of that, and if it goes to, you know, $2, it'd make a ton of money. These are long-term risky weird bets that I'm just going to see what happens in the future, because I know civilization's advancing. They're trying to phase out fiat currency, the dollar. They're trying to make all transactions online or with cards and Visa and all this. But, you know, it's never hurts to have, if you have extra money laying around, to, you know, put it in other places like investments. And that's what I've been able to do now that I built money on my Amazon business. So here's some just kind of what that portfolio looks like. But back to Webull, guys. I mean, I have my massive watch list. And when I watch videos on YouTube, I just go through and I'm like, okay, well, let's take a look at Six Flags. And, oh, they were at $58 before the CV hit. And now it's at 13 bucks. I bought it at $13. You can see my positions. I bought 20 shares at 13 bucks. And guys, all the entertainment, Disney, the theme parks like Six Flags, airlines, cruise ships, they're all down, but they're going to go back up the second this thing clears up. So this is like one of the biggest stock market crashes we've seen in history. And, you know, I mean, take advantage if you have money laying around. And I'm going to make a full video coming up talking about like what not to do and what to do in these crazy times. Number one, just, yeah, don't play with money you can't afford to lose. And number two, don't get emotional. And it's so easy to get emotional. You got to be really patient with this stuff, because oftentimes the emotional people are going to make or break the graph. And then after you see what they're doing, you'll be able to judge where you want to go and get in at. But I mean, as of right now, the market's starting to maybe climb up a little bit since the stimulus bill is passing. The CV is still around, the virus is still around, but once this stuff fades away, the market's going to go back up. I think if Trump wins re-election, the market's going to continue to go up. So yeah, I'm going to make a more professional video coming up soon about stocks and more structured, but I just wanted to bring this little update to you of what's been going on. So drop a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.